Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your hosts with the most. Slick, Tony, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out.
It's the boys night out. Hunting for some honey, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight it might get a little wild. Cause it's the boys night out. Looking for some honeys, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight it might get a little wild. Yeah. Come on tonight, Thursday. It's the boys' night out. Yeah, we gon' get it on right now. Said it's the boys' night out. Tonight I might get a little wild. A good one little, a boy, call a bombero. Still burning, fight like Nero. We sort of on Magic in the city, got rice? Yeah, man. Gilly Smith, Tony, get a whiff. Lubricant with slick Rick, slick talk. Somersaulting, how these haters get flipped off. You know the QQ, I'm Gino Q. Gotta cover GQ. What's up, 10? How you doing, huh? It's the boys night out. Hunting for some honey, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight it might get a little wild. Cause it's the boys night out. Looking for some honeys, know what I'm talking about. Make some noise right now. Tonight it might get a little wild. Yeah.
And it's not recommended for a young audience. If you're easily offended, annoyed, or discover that this radio show is just plainly stupid, tune into another station or go yourself.
Today's best music magic 89.9. Yeah, man. They're listening and watching. Sarah. 6:21 on the clock. The boys are out tonight on a What's Good Wednesday. My name is Slick Rick.
This is Tony.
And my name is Chin Gamboa. Good evening, everybody.
She's back. You're only back because Gino's away. That's the only reason why you're here. That's why.
I hate Gino.
I know.
We're going to see Gino in a bit for
You're
the Captain America. Oh, you're not.
No.
You hate Gino.
No, I can't. It's Valentine's week.
It's busy.
And so
you have 8 dates. That's right. You told us.
Yeah, I have a couple dates tonight.
So name them. Who are your dates tonight?
Actually, it's a blind date, so I have no idea who they are. But I have a whole bunch of friends joining because Army's playing tonight at Tuamongi's. And I said I'd support because she has new merch out for the first time.
I saw that. I saw she has like shirts and tote bags.
So I said,
can I make pasabay?
Yeah, make sabay.
Same.
Okay.
Yeah,
same.
Okay. Yeah.
But a few friends of mine are on their first time to actually have a date with their wives. In a long time.
Okay.
So I said, you know what? I got you. I'll come out and support you guys.
Hey, it should be good because like earlier I passed by Power Plant and man, they have like a bunch of setups of different flower places.
It's crazy.
And it is full.
It's nuts.
You see the lines are there.
Ayan na. It's starting. It's gonna be crazy. At this Friday pa. Payday pa.
Oo.
Dads.
So, double dads.
Not bad.
So, it should be good, especially for everyone. I mean,
it's going to be great.
Are you going? Do you celebrate Valentine's Day?
It's our It's our anniversary.
Oh, on Valentine's?
Yeah.
Oh,
our
shoot.
8th anniversary.
Did you guys really plan that?
Hey.
Oh, Pao kind of did.
Oh, so you really
Alam mo
wanted
naman
that.
siya,
Pao,
diba?
Pao is like, when it comes to planning dates, organizing,
Yeah,
the way he
he's-
texts, it's like strategic.
He is a strategic
I wake
boy.
up and he'll send me stuff and I'm like, okay, and then he'll say stuff and it's like if I screenshot it, you won't even. He's really good.
He
at
is.
not implicating himself.
Gago.
He's good like that. Okay, so
Magaling. Parang idol ka ata niya.
Like I want a screenshot, but wala eh. It's so safe. Ang sobrang safe ng.
Bakit sino ba sinisiraan niya?
No, wala.
Akala ko may sinisiraan siya.
Wala.
he's a friendly.
Friendly guy.
He's my R&D. All the info I get from Boys Night Out. He's really the guy, the brains behind all the info and entertainment.
Kaya alam niyo na guys it's Pao is the brains behind this show.
Yeah, he is.
Iba.
So 14th is your anniversary,
Yeah.
and so what do you guys do? What do you
Any
usually
plan?
do?
Okay, so I'm gonna get dental surgery tomorrow. So
Good luck.
Nothing's happening on the 14th.
shout out
Well,
to
there's
my
one thing you can do.
No!
Not here.
That's not what I cannot do.
That's one thing you can't do.
My wonderful dentist, Dr. Jonas Apostol. Thank you so much for squeezing me in. Hi to Miss Elaine as well. I'm scared, but I know they're going to take good care of me.
Tell everyone what's going on tomorrow. I'm so excited for you.
Oh, should be good.
I've been telling everyone at the gym today,
Oh
this
nga,
morning,
pati si Eliza.
that you're going under the knife today, and then yung pala it's tomorrow.
It was supposed to be yesterday.
Okay.
But I had a high fever.
Okay.
So hindi pala pwede.
Maybe na sa sobrang nerve,
Alam mo, that's what
nervyoso,
iniisip ko.
naudlot yung surgery mo dahil you got so prepped up, pumped up,
Alam mo,
that
promise, I feel like it's part of it.
that
I was kind of scared.
that your body was
Yeah.
fight
Put
or
it
flight
off,
mode.
put it off. Oh.
Yeah, fight or flight mode, and then the fever came.
Yeah.
You know how sometimes when you have,
Agree.
I don't know if you guys did this public speaking in elementary or high school.
Ay, oo, nilalagnat ka nga. Yeah.
Every time I have public speaking, oh my gosh, like I'll have my cue cards and then I'll write them out, and I'll try to memorize, and then the morning of, boom, lagnat.
You know, that
and my
happened to
mom
me.
always
Okay.
says, "Oh, you're still going."
Any kind of
Filipino
excitement.
mom.
Yeah.
If I'm not dying,
Parang Disney on Ice. I was gonna watch.
Okay.
I was a child. I was
Yes.
so freaking excited that I was marking down the days, and then the day off, lagnat. I did not get to watch,
Oh, that sucks.
and then it happened again when I was about to meet Ate Shena from Batibot.
Oh,
So I
my
was
God.
so excited, right? Oh my God, Ate Shena, day off, lagnat. Damn. Always happens to me.
you know, it does happen, like, for example, like on important dates, especially like during your birthday. Near your birthday, like
yan.
either the week of your birthday or
Yeah.
just right before your birthday, you
Always
get sick.
happens. But it only happens to children.
No, it happens to a lot of
Talaga?
Yeah.
No.
Happens to a lot of adults. Is that
Yeah.
sometimes, if you notice, sometimes not even their birthday talaga, like the week, like once the month kicks in,
Magkakasakit na.
yes. I know a guy that all of a sudden, say, for example, March is his birthday. Once March kicks in, March 1, he's like, oh my gosh.
Kasi excited siya.
No, he just doesn't like to celebrate. He just doesn't like to celebrate, and then he just
Anxious siya, ganon.
he's anxious and he feels bad. Then he gets sick, and then it skips his birthday, and then it's like, okay, back to normal.
Tapos na.
Oh,
Okay na.
after the month is done,
I'm well.
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah, so that's probably why you missed your surgery last night.
So yesterday I was at Apostol. I had that X-ray thing
Yeah.
done, and then they used this other machine on me to check on my other teeth. So we'll see. I'll update you guys what happens tomorrow.
Oh, so you're getting one, all right?
One.
For those that are asking, some of us get 4, some of us, Gino got 8 apparently.
Pao got 7.
Why so?
How did you get?
I got 4.
4.
Mine was 4 when I got my braces on.
I got mine done like when I was like grade 5, 6.
Na kasi even as a child,
You're
takot
supposed
ako sa
to-
dentista. Takot talaga
alam
ako.
ko, bata pa, you're supposed to get them out, especially if you want to get your teeth fixed.
Pero I didn't have too much teeth eh. Diba usually they do that kapag masyadong marami? I didn't have. I remember the dentist saying, oh, hindi madami. Sakto
How many
lang
teeth do you have? How many
2.
teeth? Okay.
The left and the right.
But you never know. With the X-ray, they might have found some
I
more.
know.
The only reason why you're doing this now is because you're getting something done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Braces.
No, not braces.
Okay.
I don't need braces because I have veneers.
Okay.
My beautiful smile is thanks to Opastel Dental.
Smile.
Stop, Jonas. They're so straight, but they're not really straight.
Oh,
but he fixed
I know
them.
someone that's jealous of you.
Who?
You don't have nothing missing.
Anyway, today's a nice show. We have an incredible guest.
Does that mean we're gonna get pictures from you, Tin?
No!
Dapat before, during, and after.
Tsaka nasa likod siya, so hindi naman siya masyadong fun.
No, you won't see it done, but you can take a photo after. Chipmunk ka.
Yeah.
Ano yan, Lolobo?
Yeah, for sure.
What you want to stock up on is freezies, ice drop, ice cream, lugaw,
soft stuff.
anything soft.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Softy, alam mo
Ano
na.
pa? Sige, sabihin mo na. Ano pa?
Just tap it.
Tony, you're such an idiot.
Just tap it.
You're
No,
so
I'm serious. You're gonna be.
I know.
You're not gonna be able to like.
You're gonna need an ice pack.
Yeah.
Yeah, ice pack is gonna be important, and then sometimes I guess, yeah, it's gonna hurt.
And then since I'm alone at home, diba? So this whole time, my recovery, I'm gonna spend it in Pau's parents' house. So at least there are people who will take care of me.
Okay, nice. Good job. Good job, Pao.
At least.
You should have just left her.
Gago.
Should have just left her and
Fend for myself.
Yeah, so you could be part of Miss Independence 2025.
That can't be me. You know that. I am baby.
It's like, okay, never mind.
Can you go on FaceTime when you...
Gago ka ba? No.
Come on.
Of course not.
Make it like a group call.
Yeah, you posted my photo, you bastard, you bitch.
Just in case you guys haven't seen it yet,
No!
if you want to see a young and yummy Tony Tones, it's on my Instagram, tin_Gamboa. I posted it as a reel yesterday.
Oh
So it's the
my
very first post on my feed.
Oh my
Again, tin__Gamboa. If you want to see a fresh Tony Tones in his early 20s, I know he's in his late 20s now,
Yeah.
but if you want to see him from like his early 20s, then you can, may buhok pa siya. Okay, may buhok
No,
pa siya.
I needed hair for that part.
What do you mean? Is that a wig?
No, he grew it out.
I had to grow it
you
out
grew
for
it out.
that particular show.
And by the way, if you guys are wondering, that is Star Circle batch
Zero.
0. Because they're like, okay, let's just have like this group called Star Circle.
Kasi in
And then they
that
realize
photo,
like, oh yeah, we can make batches.
along with Tones, I know Deether's there.
Carlos.
Carlos Agassi's there. Who's the other one?
I want to say...
Is that Kier Legaspi?
No.
Who's that?
No, it's...
Let's see.
It was... no, he didn't even... He was part of it, but he didn't continue.
Sino
He
siya?
was just
Who is
some
this
rich
guy?
kid. He was just some rich kid
Did
that...
you see all of the comments? Everyone was like, uy, sumasabay si Tones. Uy, grabe, pwede si Tones, ha? Uy, wow, what a
Pansoli.
revelation. Pogi pala si Tones. Di nila alam, hello?
Anyone know who the other guy is?
He didn't actually continue long enough. I think he went for that show, and he didn't even actually finish the show. I don't recall him
Moving on to a different project.
going to another. Yeah, I think he stopped. He came from a very wealthy family. He lived in like one of the exclusive villages. I remember
ikaw?
going to this place. No, at that time I was living on the
I'm
floor.
talking about you right now. A very wealthy man.
I was living on the floor. But
But if anyone knows, comment on Tin's
Yes,
post.
please. And if you want to see a topless Tony Tones na talagang lalaban naman sa katawan ni Amir of Rap, it's on my
Bata
Instagram.
pa si Amir dyan eh.
Ikaw din. Bata ka din dito.
bata.
Lahat kayo ha, laban talaga yung katawan ni Tones
Oo.
dito. To
Pwede,
be fair.
pwede pa,
To be fair.
pwede
And
pa.
I don't understand why it shocked everyone. We all knew that Tony had this in him.
What?
No, there are other pictures that you guys haven't seen that I've seen.
Post them! Post
No,
them!
no, the thing is, I've seen them, but then I didn't have my phone with me. He showed me like an album.
It's actual.
It's real pictures.
Can you
real
send it to me? I
pictures.
promise I won't post it.
I
Yeah,
know you
right.
will post that shit.
No.
I know you.
I promise.
I know you'll post it.
I promise.
Say what's up to Owen. He says, post it. He goes, hello to the Corp Comms team of the SM Investment Corporation. His new team.
Oh, so many
Happy
new followers.
Owen.
Bigla. Hi to Aina, Pao, G. Pascual, Robert,
Because of my topless
Arking,
photo.
Love Souvenir Shop, Chito Hala, Rodney, Food Bay, and Project Geeker. Hi to you guys. Again, it's tin__Gamboa. Kung gusto nyo nakahubad si Tony Tones. Hi to Gonna Be May. Hi to Deo, Bernard, and Leonard.
The thing is, I
Thank you.
was never afraid to take off my shirt or my pants back in the day.
Why would you be afraid with a body like this?
You know what? I think back in the day, maybe that people were okay with this, but then it would be a little too shocking if he like if he came out in his underwear. I mean, now it's normal.
No.
But
on the set, on Burn, which is one of the,
this is the name of the show.
If I'm not mistaken, that was for one of the basically it was a beach show, and so on set I would always be in my underwear, and they're like, "Yo, can you?"
Wala kang pake?
Yeah, I always wear short trunks always because I've
Like
just been in the water.
Speedos?
I'm not part of the. I'm not part of the main.
You're extra.
Yeah, I'm just extra. So I'm like swimming, partying. My friend's the director, and then the talent manager for ABS was like a good friend. Where now she's my kumare, and so for me it was just like having fun, but I'm getting paid because I just need to pay rent. So I didn't really care whether sumikat ako o hindi. I just needed to pay my rent.
You just needed the TF.
Yeah, actually, I just needed to pay.
Because everyone has that sideline. I mean, it's nice that that's your sideline. I don't think a lot of people would have believed you. Like, okay, he did like his artista.
Oh, I still
his
have
artista bit.
You know what? I still have all my scripts from Judy and
Damn, di
Star.
mo tinapon?
I have every single script that I have.
Can we reenact some of them on air?
Oh my God.
Let's
Okay.
freaking
We should.
do it.
Let me bring it.
Sige.
It's one huge.
Let's do it. Like every time we have a guest, let's make them do a scene.
Oh,
my
and
God.
then we're like, do you remember?
Yeah. Let's do it, Tones. I'm so excited.
And then you never know, it could be rediscovered again.
Yeah, Tones. Let's resurrect your acting career.
No, that's not There are some things that are good dead.
No, that one is. I think you
let's
can
just
do
keep
it.
Malay mo, they need another Japanese rapist.
You know
And they
what?
forgot that you're here.
That one had no script. By the way, it was just
It's thirsting.
Eric Kizon.
Grunts.
You have your main character energy now,
Moto.
so
no guy.
so it's okay.
I think
Stop
it was,
touching your mic.
yeah. I think
No,
it was
no, humina.
It just turns on and off.
Biglang okay na
Mot-
when you touch
I
it.
think my line was Moto no Toto no guy. It was something in
Damn,
Japanese.
Tones.
That's it. That's all I remember. That one line. That's all I said.
Do you know what it translates to?
No, I think
galing mo,
I
brief
think
mo,
I
ganun?
get the big one. I think or something like that. Like the bigger one because Eric Kizon was the biggest one out of Richie Chan, R.S. Francisco,
Akin yung malaki, ganun.
Melvin Lee. Sa akin yung malaki.
Dibs.
You were talking about his body or something.
I didn't know. They were just as gays, right? As girls. So I wouldn't know until.
Yeah.
So I ran after. Yeah. So yeah.
Dark role, Tones.
Dark toads.
Super dark.
It was a super dark role that I had no experience in.
But it's okay now, is because you have your main character energy.
Was there something that you guys did when you were younger that you guys like, oh shoot, I can't believe I did that? Yung bata pa na, oh man.
Dami, but I would rather not discuss.
Come on.
Not really bata, but then I remember
Okay, fine. I have a story. Go
Oh,
ahead.
go,
Like you
go.
first.
No. Mine is just super simple. Is that I remember Toads remembers with my ex.
Okay.
I used to sell shirts. Used to sell polo shirts.
Ah.
Like the collared
Oh
shirts.
yeah.
Like paano? Like you would buy them somewhere
Yeah,
and
I
then
would buy
resell them.
Yes, and
Oh
then
yeah. What shirts were those?
it was just like some kind of
Yeah, some generic shirts.
generic shirts.
Tapos papatungan mo.
Like Shopee. He was like, except Shopee, he was Shopee. Siya nagdadala dito. Like,
And then people would they just buy it.
Ano to, college ka? Or after
And
college
dito,
na?
I was already
you're
working
magic
here.
na.
I was working here now. Sideline now.
yeah,
And then,
I remember.
And then I would just always bring it, and then it would always sell out. Then like, hey, might as well make it a sideline.
Yeah, it was like 200 bucks.
$300.
$300.
Pwede.
So
Yeah, tama.
not bad.
Yung used shirts na. Used ba yun? Or
Hindi, bago.
Bago yun.
bago,
Sobra ka
bago.
naman.
I thought pre-loved. Okay.
Pre-loved.
Okay, what did you do that you regret?
I have
or at least
Hindi naman
Not
I don't know.
regret,
I have
but-
never talked about this, okay?
You thought it was funny, like
And
now.
like I've never even told Pao about this.
Oh,
Because I'm
okay.
kind of jahe.
Oh, okay.
So at a young age, I already knew that I couldn't hack an office job, right? So I just wanted to do something that was not an office job.
Okay.
So first, when I was in college, I auditioned for Radio Idol on RX, right?
You did?
Yeah, I did.
Shit.
Oh, yeah, I did.
I didn't know.
I told you guys. Okay, maybe I didn't tell you.
You
in
didn't tell me
particular,
that.
But that was the batch where Jelly Victor won.
Yes.
Oh.
Jelly Victor and Sonia Smith. So I
I did
reached
not
the
know
finals,
this. Okay.
but I didn't win. I was
Okay.
like, oh my God, I wanted that job. Okay, I need, besides, I can't do office.
Okay.
And then So there was this show on what was the parang Studio 23 of GMA? QTV.
Oh, QTV. Yeah.
Called May Trabaho Ka.
Until now, may QTV pa rin, right?
Wala na Tones.
GTV pala.
The QTV, it's
no
gone.
more GTV na.
Yeah, so it was like their cable counterpart, parang ganon. So they had this show called May Trabaho Ka.
Okay.
And then every month they'd have a job opening for something, and then it was a reality show, and then people auditioning for that job. So sometimes it was like I don't know the others, but may isa akong nakita parang to be a lifestyle host, but that wasn't what I joined.
Okay.
So what I joined was like the search for a plus-sized model for a brand. I can't even remember the brand now. So we shot for I think a week. So we had different challenges, like mga modeling.
Yeah. Walk straight.
Yeah, and then I remember our final, because I reached the finals like final 2 ako. Our final challenge was to walk down an empty MRT na moving, like a catwalk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yun.
May tao.
Wala tao.
Wala.
So empty siya. But it was moving. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
In heels, ganyan. So I really, kasi nga ayoko nga magtrabaho, di ba?
Yeah.
I wanted like an easy job.
Easy job, yeah.
So I did that show. I was on that reality show. And I lost. I was second place.
But you get paid for that, right?
No, I didn't get paid anything.
Oh.
Yeah.
So what? Then it's not a job.
Kung manalo ka, you would have been, if I had won, I would have been like the model of that brand. I can't even remember what brand it was anymore. I can't remember what it was. But so final 2
La Senza.
No, it wasn't La Senza. It was a plus-size clothing brand. Na local.
Okay.
And then, a few months after that was when I got into Magic.
Oh, nice.
As a junior jock. Yeah.
So the walking helped you pivot to do radio. Okay.
No, I think
ang galing.
Parang kumapal lang yung we did so much. I remember one of the challenges. I don't know if you know this guy. His name, he passed away, but he was part of Starstruck.
Okay.
Tyrone Perez. Basta he passed away.
Yeah.
So what we did was, we had like yung boodle fight.
Tyrone, did he play the ukulele?
No.
Okay.
He was just an actor.
That's a different Tyrone.
I don't think he was a musician.
Okay.
So nag-boodle fight kami ng puro like seafood.
Okay.
So, bakit tayo nag-boodle fight? Tapos kasi pala, right after the boodle fight, we were smelling like freaking tuyo and like pusit and stuff. We had to sexy pose with him! And I couldn't do it because I was laughing so much. As in yung like sexy pose talaga yung nakahawak ka sa kanya tapos parang making love to the camera.
And you just ate
amoy isda ako, guys.
Jahe. Yeah.
Super jahe.
Okay.
So anyway, I've never told anyone that story.
Oh, now we know.
Hiya ako.
Oh,
I think
thanks for sharing.
There's another time that I was here is when I did the PBL.
Okay. What did you play?
No.
Philippine Basketball League?
Yes, I was the announcer. on TV.
Oh
I was
my gosh.
a TV announcer along with Logan.
Oh my gosh.
And at the time, it was Commissioner Chino.
Trinidad, the late
Great. So he goes, hey, I want you and Logan to do PBL because I want a different flavor.
Like a barker, ganyan?
No, like what Boom does.
Oh my gosh.
Play-by-play.
Play-by-play.
Shit.
So he
In
goes...
Tagalog?
So he goes...
PBL's Tagalog, right?
PBL...
No, Taglish.
No.
Taglish?
At that time, it was Taglish. He goes, Taglish, that's fine because Logan is there naman. But then he goes, Slick, you try. I was like, okay, that's fine. He goes, but...
So walang audition to?
Wala.
Sabak na?
Oh, sabak na. He goes, okay, both of you, but then I won't put a player with you guys. Both of you guys na lang. Para... trip lang. Let's see.
Oh, shoot.
So, we're like, okay, game.
So, wala man lang kayong analyst. It's 2 anchors.
2 anchors. Tapos, we went on. Tapos, we did the whole workshop. And then after that, Logan like, kaya ba? I was like, pala na. Then Logan's like, okay. So, we did it. Tapos, we bought suits. Tapos, we were like, okay. So, we did the opening. That was fine. Opening, good. Okay, then sit down at the desk, and oh my gosh, it was a train wreck. It's because we had no effing idea who these players were.
Oh my
gosh. Do you still remember them now?
No, honestly, there was no one that came out of that's that I remember.
Oh my
and then
God.
me and Logan, and so so we had like a writer next to us, and he'd give us like the script. He's like, okay, here's the numbers of the guys. Okay.
Or how can you learn that on the fly?
Yeah, that's so hard.
No, it was difficult. Is because we had no idea who these players were.
Yeah.
And then because
That's crazy.
we were the
That's
earlier
like career
game.
suicide.
We were the earlier game as opposed to the main
Sino
game.
yung main game?
Main game was
Was it the regular anchor?
yes, regular
Okay,
anchor.
okay.
So there's like, okay, you guys are starters, take a go. That was when we started doing it, and me and Logan are like, oh, and then Logan like click. You get the names of the team in white. That was I get the guys in the black. We're like, okay, then fine, okay. Number 15, Trinidad. Okay, he makes a shot. Oh, okay. And then going back on defense. So I'll be going back on defense, and then Logan, he'll be talking about the black team now, passing the ball around. And oh my God, our first game went to double
Oh
overtime.
my God.
It went to double overtime.
Hassel.
And then at that point, everyone was scrambling is because how is this game going into double overtime? This game should have been done by 4 quarters. And then like the director's like, oh my God, these guys that are running down
hopeless.
It's going down?
It's going downhill from here.
Oh, shit.
That was
Oh,
me and
no.
Logan. We're like, okay, you know what? F their names. We're just gonna call them by. We'll give them all nicknames.
Number 12.
We'll go number 12. Look at the Rock. Look at him passing the Rock because he's passing the ball. He's dribble.
Shoot.
And then it was funny.
Oh my God.
It was so funny. Is because it was tied at the end with about 10 seconds left in the second overtime. What happened was, so the white team had the ball. So I go, okay, here we go. 10 seconds left. 10, 9. And then all of a sudden, the dude that I called the Rock like the whole game because he's like a little stubby guy. I was like, oh, the Rock has the ball. He's dribbling, and he shoots it. And then, and honestly, he made the shot. Me and Logan were like, yeah! Stop made the shot! Like, if there was a camera in front of us, people would have said, oh my God! Because we were so tired by the end.
What were the people saying like that were listening or watching?
And this was the funny part, is they were texting Commissioner Chino.
Okay.
Yo, Commish, when did you hire Alex Compton?
Alex Compton.
Oh shit.
yung Amboy. Huh? Hindi si Alex Compton yan. Si Slick Rick yan. He's like,
There's no TV, no component?
no.
Diba sa start lang naman
Sa
kita
start-
yung
start
analyst
lang.
and anchor. Like sa opening lang, parang, hi, we are here. Ganyan.
Kasi with the PBL, at
They
that-
don't pan.
No, there was no for the analysts.
Oh,
It's because
wow.
we were kind of up, and then the ones that were on the floor were the ones doing the sideline. So it would just be more on them.
Okay.
And then so we were done, and then people. So after the game, si Kovish, he goes, "Hey, come to the office." Tapos we went to the office. He goes, "Iba kayo." He goes, laugh trip kayo. You gave every single player a nickname that they had no idea. Pero laugh trip. Tapos he goes, sige, go lang. Tapos what happened was he separated us. Na parang I was the anchor. Tapos I had an analyst. Tapos si Logan was the anchor and he had an analyst.
I remember Logan doing it.
Yeah, so we did it for a few games, and then after that,
He kept on doing it, I think. Because I remember him telling me that he's going to a game.
Yeah. He kept doing it, and then
Yeah, he kept doing it as a sideline.
and then
Okay,
I was like,
okay.
there. So it was just super funny that
Yeah, he kept on doing that. Oh, that's right. I would see him sometimes doing the
Sayang, Slicky, why did you stop?
well at that point because I didn't know those players at that time. But then like if I knew them like now that I know different players, it would have been much better. But then the thing is, it was like a week before we were to get on air that si Kamish said, hey, why don't you guys do it? Tapos sir, we had no time. He's like, oh, we're
Study,
we still are trying to figure out the schedule. Like, okay, these are the tentatives, but we're not sure because something might go wrong. I'm like, okay. And then a few days later, like, okay, these are the two teams. We'll send you the details. No one sent us the details.
Oh God. Yeah.
The internet wasn't the same internet it is right now, diba?
Yeah.
So,
I mean, now if you type in like team so and so.
No, dali. It's right there.
It's easy. At least you know. But then that was like the most stressful game that we've ever done.
Is there any video footage of that? Does anyone have
Sana
online?
Do you remember what year it was?
I don't even remember what year, and it was funny.
Pero morning zoo crew pa lang nun.
Yeah, and it was funny is because
maybe there's footage of that.
Like our suits didn't fit.
Maybe there's footage. Does anyone have footage of that?
Our suits, you could tell like, oh, these guys just got it off the rack. It's like
what channel was
2004 daw. 2004. 70 Mike.
Was it Slick?
I think so.
2004.
Might have been 2004. Yeah, is because Zoo Crew. It was morning Zoo Crew. And then I just remembered we were just so tired.
Baka nasa YouTube.
Then your show tones. Lens is asking, was the show Bora Bora, or was it What a Men?
No,
someone was asking What a Men.
This one was Burn and also Subic Bay. So there was like a whole bunch of beach shows at that time. But I remember What a Man. No, not that
What
one.
a Man.
What a Man. Yeah. Bora Bora. Oh shoot, I remember that too.
Were you on that?
I think I was on Bora Bora.
70 Mike, Subic Bay on IBC 13.
Yeah, Bora Bora. I remember Bora Bora.
Hi to Kim, yes indeed. Maris Umali and Paolo Abrera, that's correct.
Oh my gosh. 86310899. Something that you did in the past that no one knows, I guess.
Na medyo jay ka ng konti.
Yeah, now that you look back, I don't feel bad with the photo actually.
You shouldn't.
I mean, that was for fun.
You should be proud.
We were actually that was during basketball because we played ball every Saturday at Tivoli Royale in Quezon City.
Tivoli.
So that was in Commonwealth. So every Saturday we play after work or after the shoot or workshop.
I remember this story of yours, yeah.
Diretso dyan.
Hi to Gay, Jaja, Reg,
hello?
Liz Lemon, and Shelly.
Hey.
Hi, Ramir Mund. Hi.
From Navota City. Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Nakikinig sa playback. I'm watching yung playback kasi. So, yung hindi pa alam ng mga tao na ginawa ko, I actually appeared as a bit role nung estudyante pa ako sa college.
Oh. Okay, bit role on a TV show?
No, sa pelikula.
As at the school play.
No, movie.
Like an actual movie.
Yes, an actual movie.
Oh.
FFF movie.
Okay.
What movie was this?
Ang Larawan.
Ang Larawan.
The Picture.
Okay.
Who's in that movie?
That movie, that's the musical one based on the Nick Joaquin novel. Let me check. Oh, that's 2017. So that was the movie starring
Your reception is weird.
Rachel Alejandro. Paolo Avellino was on there.
Oh, okay.
Ang Larawan. That was based on a play by Nick Joaquin.
We'll check it out. Oh my gosh, it is. It's on PBL.
Yeah.
Slick Rick and King DJ Logan.
Gusto ko yung hinaharap nito.
Role kasi na ginampanan ko pa.
Oh my God.
Estudyante dati
So
ng
weird.
Spanish era. Spanish era kasi yun. So,
That's
I was
the worst.
one of the young students
I
na
found
Spanish era.
Mm-hmm.
Nag-shooting kami ng madaling araw. Inakupan ng madaling araw. Hindi ko akalain na maabot ng ganyan. Walang tulog.
Pero solid experience, I'm sure.
Yes, and nabayaran na on friends.
Yun ang importante.
Just as long as you get paid, then that's fine.
Yeah. Thank you so much for sharing. Bye.
Thank you.
Teka, pag-usapan muna natin yung PBL. Sige, mamaya na nga. Oh, there. Caller.
Meron. May PBL 2003.
Hi.
Dami.
Radio off, please.
Hi.
Hey guys,
Hey. Who's this?
it's EG.
EG, what's up?
Want to share this? Something that no one else knows about, right?
Yes?
Okay, naalala niyo ba yung mga phone cards before? Yung you had to load off the card para sa cellphone niyo?
Okay,
Yeah.
Yeah, I was prepaid.
So one time, I was riding parang FX or shuttle ngayon. So, yung nasa harap ko was scratching it off the card. Di ba may parang long number doon?
Yes, correct.
Pero kita ko kasi yung person in front of me.
Oh my God. Did you steal the number?
Stole it.
Niload ko siya.
Inunahan mo. Bad ka, EG!
Sobrang bata ko pa noon. So,
Pero ang bilis mo First of all, ang talas ng mata mo. Pangalawa, ang bilis ng daliri mo.
totoo yan.
Pero magnanakaw ka pa rin.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. Bad yan. Bad yan. Thanks for sharing, EG.
Thank you guys.
Take care. Okay, wait. I think you need to send it to the Rex so we can play it on air.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's slick. It just says here PBL 2003. Dami. Ang daming games. I just don't know if this is the one that they're actually calling
out.
out.
Is it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Wait,
like 2003. Daming games.
PBL.
Ang dami. We have to actually play it and then listen to actually see if it's...
Bakit wala ko na? What did you search?
PBL 2004, 2003, 2004. Okay. PBL. And then all come out. From Unity to there's Granny Goose UP versus IC.
Kahit team man lang, Slick, di mo maalala.
Magnolias. There's all these PBA plays, May 24. 2004.
Kasi kung 2003, this was medyo iconic yung mga players. May mga James Yap, Rich Alvarez. And if Slick doesn't remember any player...
No. I don't remember. I would have remembered if it was them, but no.
Damn.
Wellcoat. Yeah, here's James Yap. James Yap was part of the PBL?
Of course.
Yeah. He was like super young.
At the time... early 2000s, 90s, you had to do a couple of years in the PBL before mag-PBA ka after the UAAP.
Really?
Yeah, it was a requirement.
Oh, I didn't know that. Maybe they... wala na PBL, right?
Wala
na.
Okay.
Wala na.
Yeah.
All right. Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hi. Good evening.
Hi.
Yeah, maybe if you don't know, I used to go to the other station, 99.5, just I think.
Hold on para marinig namin yung kwento mo. Can you turn off your radio first? Because there's feedback.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. All right, go.
I used to go to 99.5 just to take guests. And nobody else in our family, nor even my friends knows about it.
Guest? As in, yung talagang magsasalita ka sa mic?
Yes.
Play FM to?
Before Play FM.
So RT.
So RT.
RT siya.
Yes.
RT.
Like what would you guest about? Ano, Brew
I
Rats?
don't know, it's just,
Anong show?
What would you talk about?
oh God, the time slot is around 6 to 9-ish.
Sino yung DJs?
Oh, 6 to 9.
Yeah. Sabay ata kayo.
Yeah. 6 to 9.
2000, this is what, around 2011.
Oh.
2011.
Also, okay, Play FM na nun. Diba?
Yeah.
Play?
Oh, yeah.
No.
But, but the thing is,
Hit.
I have this ultimate crush on a certain DJ there.
Sino? Sabihin mo na.
Sino?
I forgot her name.
Anak ng putik.
2 time ago.
How'd she look like?
Ano yung tsura niya?
Oh, she's if I'm not mistaken, she's into theater arts.
Theater Arts. Teacher ba siya? Teacher?
No.
No.
She's performing into theater arts.
Theater Arts.
Oh my gosh.
DJ.
Sino yung mga DJ nun nung time na yon?
God, yung isa medyo bastos, di ko trip eh.
Pangalan niya?
And he's a guy. He's a freak. I don't know.
A freak?
Freak? Like, what kind of freak?
Like,
May freak.
Tony?
Freaking bastos. Sabi.
Sino siya? Tell me the name. Maalala namin yan.
Oh man, 2011?
Long time ago.
Oh, long time
Okay
ago.
lang, makilala ko yan. Kasi at that time, magkatabi naman kilala namin yan. Sige, sino? Go. Pag-mention ka.
I'm sorry, I forgot the name.
Talaga? Di mo as in, so you would
No.
guess there and di mo sila maalala?
No.
That's before
If you have a
Facebook
girlfriend,
eh.
if you have a
No,
girlfriend,
Facebook is 2008, Tones.
2008. No, it didn't.
Wait,
It was
2008.
but it wasn't popular here yet.
2011?
Yeah.
It wasn't popular.
2011, we had Disturbing the Peace, Sam O. Gibb. We have
Nice one, Slick.
Koji,
No.
Ron Valentine. We had Migs,
With a Z.
Inca, Neil,
No.
Disenchanted Kingdom,
King
Logan,
DJ
Logan and
Logan.
Anna, Q5, Marf,
Oh, Cleo Torres. That's it.
Cleo Caliente?
Cleo.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
That was your crush?
That was her.
Yeah.
Oh,
Cleo.
she was so cute.
she does theater.
Yeah.
She's really cute.
She does theater. Tama.
But I think
She's
I don't know.
Bisaya, right?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. And the Bastos guy was Logan.
Was the Bastos guy Logan?
Yeah, for sure. Out of those guys,
Yeah.
yun, definitely.
I think she's a mom now.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure,
oh,
yeah.
I wouldn't know.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah.
We're Facebook
That's it.
friends.
But I met you guys, I think, except for 10 before.
Oh, okay.
I won already a thing, and my sister doesn't know.
Oh, okay. On the show?
On the show, I went to your station into your booth.
So
And just like-
nung nag-guest ka dati, like what would you talk about?
Anything about, I don't know, TV shows and...
Parang wala kang maalala. Parang blackout mo. Was this a traumatic time?
Is there something wrong?
So Disenchanted Kingdom
It's
mga
more
talaga.
of like, I was mesmerized at the time. Most of the time.
So parang you were so smitten by Cleo
Yeah.
na parang, okay. Parang you had blinders on, ganyan.
Yep.
May ganon talaga, like guys that aren't really, in front of their crushes, aren't as confident eh. May
I
titiklop
mean, as a girl, ganun din ako.
Okay. Yeah.
So I think it's a universal experience.
I think, yeah, true. Universal experience that you block out something.
Yeah, agree.
Yeah, you're in a tunnel. Wala na. Whatever's around you.
Di mo na alam.
Vision
Yeah.
Tunnel
They
Zero.
don't exist.
It's tunnel vision eh.
Tunnel Zero.
Pero I can't remember. You couldn't even remember her name.
I did.
Yes.
Well, maybe.
Scholar.
Yeah.
No, because I had the next one like around 9 years old.
Yeah, but that's true. There's some DJ names I forget. But if you tell me the show.
Then you'll remember. Yeah.
Are you married now, sir?
I'm married. No, I'm very single.
Very single.
Oh, okay.
Very single? All right.
Happy Singles Day.
Of course.
Singles Awareness Day on Friday.
A Saturday.
Friday.
Saturday it is.
Friday is the 14th.
Yeah, Singles Day is on the 15th.
The day after.
Singles Awareness Day
Yeah,
is the 14th.
Sad is on the 15th. Right? So it's the next day after where everyone that's single comes together.
Okay.
And then International Singles Day is 11/11.
Oh.
November 11. Yeah, 11/11 is
Parang Lazada lang.
International
May sale.
Single. Yeah, for all singles. Single people. For all those that are single. It's 11/11.
Magastos na singles day na yan.
Oh, magastos ng
Anyway. But thanks, man.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Here we go. Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Magandang gabi po.
Magandang
Magandang
gabi.
gabi.
Si Alex Caliap.
Oh!
Hey, congrats!
Alex, I saw your
Number one.
I saw your show going
So
into
proud of
Sunday.
you.
Good job.
And I have to say it's a long time coming. You much deserved. You've been burning the midnight oil. I don't know what you're not doing these days, but very much deserved. And I saw your post earlier.
Happy naman. So, tumawag lang ako tal nagka-taproba kayo. Gusto ko mag-thank you sa Boys Night Out, especially sa Tones for
Wala.
going back 2013 sa Aruba.
Where everybody knows your name.
Nag-perform kami doon. Yun ang mga unang mga venues namin when I was starting. And then, nung dinala mo ako dyan sa Boys Night Out, really also open a lot of doors to me. Medyo... thank you lang ako. Thank you.
Reminiscing.
Tiyatawag ako lahat ng mga tumulong sa akin.
Bakit mamamatay ka na ba? Ano nangyayari?
Hindi naman.
You want my GCash? Gusto mo yung PayMaya account ko?
Wait, mag-thank you din ako sa'yo. Tito Alex, mag-thank you din ako sa'yo for hosting yesterday's lunch.
Yeah.
I was supposed to host that with you. Kaso anyway, basta I'm sure we're going to get to host more in the future.
Yeah, so siyempre kailangan meron din tayong meron naman tayong binibigay din para sa bansa natin.
Of course.
To balance things out siyempre para makatulong sa future. And
tatakbo ka, Alex? Anong party list mo?
Amang panahon.
Catch him on Netflix.
Still number 1 sa Netflix. Talagang sorpresa sa akin dahil siyempre isang maliit na produksyon laban sa the juggernaut of the network.
So
medyo-
lalong lumaki yung talent fee mo, Alex, ha? Malaki na nga eh. Malaki na nga.
Lumapalalo.
It's getting there.
Ando na ako, pero
No, but
Yeah.
truly, we are so proud of you.
Yeah.
Super.
If there's anyone that deserves it, that's
Ikaw talaga.
That's
super,
you.
super proud of
that's
you.
seen you hustle night and day. It's really incredible that you are still quite humble considering the success you've had.
How
Tsaka
far
hindi ko
you've
makakalimutan
come.
yung pinagising mo ko nung mamimiss ko na yung flight ko sa Cebu. You're a real one. Tito Alex.
You guys were together in Cebu?
Yeah, we hosted something together in
dun
Cebu.
sa nag-host kami sa Cebu ni...
How come you don't wake me up, Alex? How come you never woke me up in Boracay?
Hindi, concern ako sa kanya kasi yung flight niya. Tapos,
Ako, hindi
Wala
ka
siyang concern sa'yo, Tones. Period.
Para tayo mo-concern sa Boracay, pareho tayong puyat nun.
Ay!
Ay, gusto ba mag-thank you for bringing Japanese food.
Okay.
Ano yung kwento na yan?
3 a.m.
Ano yung kwento na yan? Gusto ko malaman. Tumatawa si Tony. Tumatamutik mahulog sa upuan. Ano yon?
Si Tony ang pinakamagandang kaibigan sa lahat.
Yun
Kasi
lang.
kahit mauna ka na sa party, magte-take home yan para sa'yo.
Nakatakot yung mukha niya. I need to know this Japanese food story.
So ganito to, no? Alam kong fresh yung Japanese food na yun kasi papunta pa lang kami mula sa airport. Nakasabay namin yung Japanese food na yun sa bangka papunta sa airport. Tapos, nung nakita ko sa gabi, ayun, sabi ko una na ako, siguro na hindi ata ni Totes na maubos na yung dalawa na yun, order. So dinala na sa akin yung isa.
Dalawang order.
Yes, so Japanese.
How nice of him.
So kinain nyo
Very
naman.
nice. Siyempre, pagkain ko, di nalasahan ko si Tone.
Stop it!
O, hindi pala niya, ano yun, siyempre, nakain niya muna, siguro, nailuwan niya, binigyan niya sa akin.
Oh my God, guys! Baby bird kayo!
Well.
I regret asking about the backstory.
Mag-inis ngayon, atin, ano na ako, get your mind out of the gutter.
Oo.
Nerap ako dun, ha?
Tama.
Nice.
Get your mind out of the gutter.
Fine. Basta, Tito Alex, we love you and we're so proud of
Uy,
you.
meron tayong host sa December 2025, magkasabay tayo. Nabalita. Kaya ako tinanggap because of your team.
Ha? Ano yun?
Oo, December.
Yung wedding!
December.
Yung wedding?
Oo, wedding.
Tama. Umuorin ako doon.
Oh, ni-name drop ka eh.
Na tayo co-host?
Nakuha ko dahil kaya basta pag nakita ko na yung Tony, Slick Rick, wala na yung budget niyan, tira-tira na lang sa akin yan.
No, now the budget goes more to you.
No.
I recall like cutting my talent fee 50%.
Gagi, shit, kaya pala tumawad sa akin.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Alex,
Dati, nagbayad ako ng talent fee ni Lex. I used to take from mine and give it to him. Kasi whatever. Sabi niya, kung ano lang, bahala ka. So I go, okay, bahala. Ngayon, what? How much your talent fee? What the damn? What the hell?
Aren't you gonna pay me?
Seryoso, tumawad sa, hindi ako nabibiro, tumawad sa akin ng 25K.
Oh, yeah?
oh my God. Why?
Tito Alex.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow.
Hindi, tumawag lang ako because of...
Buti may pera sikatin ko.
Pero hindi, naalala ko kasi I believe 2013 ako nag-join sa Voice Night Out eh. And
Yung career mo bumaksak o umakyat? Ano ba talaga?
Yung alin?
Yung
career.
Yung career mo.
Yung bird mo.
Noong 2018 nararamdaman ko mapapahamak na tayo.
Nag-out na.
Yung bago maglabasan yung mga Louis C.K., Kevin Spacey.
Yeah.
Nakaramdam na ako na pahinga muna tayo.
Sa tamang panahon.
So hindi ka na pumunta sa Antipolo? Wala na?
Hindi na ako masyado ngayon.
Alam mo yung Antipolo story?
Sa Antipolo.
Nagpasok. Pero may mga bakas pa rin na nakaraan dahil dyan pa rin nagkalat sa, sa forever world ng internet.
The internet is forever.
Tayo,
exactly.
Susulpot na yan.
Oh,
Ito ba ito magiging congressman?
Congressman, kaya mo.
Tapos he say,
Kaya mo
oh
yan.
naman, he's a real guy.
I think kaya mo yan. I think wag lang vice president. You don't lalabas.
Congressman.
Lahat ng baho mo lalabas VP or presidente. Kung congressman, ano pa yan? Kaya pa yan.
Oo.
Ano, ang mga slogan na lang natin, masama noon, mabuting tao na lang.
Yan. Oh.
Alex Calleja, magnanakaw, pero konti lang.
Alex Calleja, manyak, pero just the tip.
Alex, ulo lang.
Wow. Ulo lang.
Gago ka.
Ay, but congratulations, Papi.
Tamang panahon on Netflix. Suportahan natin ang mahal natin Tito Alex.
Si Rick ang magandang example dyan. Isang taong dati ngayon mabuting tao na. Yan ang tularan nyo, si Rick.
Parang sinasama kami ni Tony, hindi
Mali at pwede naman magbago. Diba? Tamang panahon.
Hey, also, you have a show at the Miramar Hotel, right?
Yes.
On the 14th.
Yes. Ang hotel na paborito ng mga umiiyak na hindi pumasa doon sa US Embassy. Tatapat po kami sa US Embassy. Lahat ng na-deny, yun po ang iyakan sa Miramar Hotel.
Oh my God.
Tapat na tapat.
Deny lahat eh. Grabe,
Tapos,
wild.
Yes. I'll be in Singapore, February 16. Nandiyan ako. Konti na lang yung tickets sa please. Stephen Riadi Auditorium. Ticketmaster.sg. So, na dito para mag-promote.
Never mo ginagawa yun.
Alex, come by the show. Also, ano ba? Kamusta nga Valentine's Day mo?
Ayun nga, ang Valentine's Day ko, na gusto ng asawa kong mag-hotel. So, chinekin ko siya sa Okada, tapos ako naman sa Singapore.
At least,
Sino kasama mo sa Singapore?
May show siya.
May show.
February 15, ang 13 at 15, alam niyo naman kung para sa kaninong date yun.
Okay.
Ang 14 ang legal.
Alex,
ang 13
hindi
at
ko...
15, mga walang label.
Alex, yung asawa mo, nag-add sa akin sa Facebook, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko eh. In-accept ko.
Ayaw ko pa dyan sa asawa ko na yan. Dapat matuwa na lang siya na pag gumigising siya, katabi niya ang number 1 sa Netflix.
Wow.
Dapat nga pagising ko eh. Diba? Agad, hawak niya lang agad yun para. Ay, magic yun po ganit.
Leche ka. Okay na.
Thanks, Papi.
Miss you. See you soon. So proud of you. Bye.
All right, let's take a break. And if you missed out on what he was saying, listen to this.
May nagbabalik. Oo, si Alex Calleja ang The Comedy Crew ay babalik ulit sa Singapore. Kwentong Pag-ibig, The Hilarious Side of Love, an all-Tagalog stand-up comedy show with Alex Calleja, Israel Buena-Obra, Marlon Cada, Grease Junio, and Yuki Horikoshi sa February 16, 2025 to Sunday at 7 p.m. Ang venue ay ang Stephen Riadi Auditorium at NTUC Singapore. Ang tickets ay mabibili online sa ticketmaster.sg. For more details, visit alexcalleja.com at ang thecomedycrew.com. That's thecomedycrew.com. Kita Kate Singapore.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
Of all ages, for the millions and millions listening and watching all over the world through playback.tv/magic899, and also please do listen to us, magic899.com, our official website.
Hey, we're not calm.
Yeah, finally.
You have seen him in festivals.
Festivals.
Heard him on the radio.
In your favorite music hall.
Paul Mankeys is my favorite.
Number 1.
The best. And you may have cried to his song. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our Boys Night Out,
Good evening. Happy New Year.
Happy Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's. It's love. It's love week, love month.
Love month.
Love month.
Kamusta ang ano? Mainit ba? Malamig? Okay lang. Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Maligamgam.
Minsan dapat mong balansehin din. Parang,
paano ba?
You need a balance.
Wala akong alam dyan eh.
Kasi
paano
kung
ba
masyado
balanse?
mainit, mapapaso ka. Kung masyado malamig, kakasakit ka. Dito ka lang sa maligamgam.
Okay.
Pero kailangan din ng ano yan. Yung parang, minsan kasi yan, tama ka. Yung pag sobrang init talaga, nakakapaso din.
Si Tony, lagi mainit yan eh. Tignan mo, pasong-paso.
Pasong-paso ka na, wala.
Init si Boy ah.
So, bagsak ka na naman, di ba? Dapat, sa edad natin to, well,
29 si Tony. Huwag mo siyang
si Tony. Hindi kita isasama sa ano ko.
You have family na ba?
I have a wife, but wala pa kaming kid.
Oh, okay.
We have a dog, so
okay. Yeah.
Consider that
Fur baby. Fur babies are definitely part of the family. It's an extension as well. Definitely. Yes,
hindi pa
fine.
nabibiyayaan, pero ayos naman kasi
Ilan taon na ba kayong together?
kami ay naku, magagalit na.
Yan, di mo alam.
Sa amin.
Bilangin
Hindi ko
natin.
alam, bilangin.
Baka from maligamgang, biglang lalamig yung Valentine's mo.
Sabihin na natin 10 plus years.
10 plus
na
years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so double digits na.
Oo.
Okay.
Ayos naman. I mean, pag masaya naman kayong dalawa talaga.
Totoo.
ayos
I think
naman.
That's true.
Exactly. I mean, the both of you make your own world. And tapos everyone.
Are you still sweet? Do you still keep like, or it kind of like after years of being together, it kind of like,
But you know, listening to his
Goes
music,
up and
feeling ko
down.
sweet pa rin siya.
you think so? Yeah.
Wait. Siguro, yung pagiging sweet yata ay yung action na. Like, what I mean by that is, you're there for her all the time. I think that's the sweetest thing.
That's true. That's true.
I mean, hindi yung parang
Gifts.
words,
Grand gestures.
very grand na. Maybe, yayain ko siguro siyang kumain sa labas, paminsan-minsan. But yung being there for her.
I think
through,
that's probably the
being
biggest
her
thing.
rock.
That's the
Yeah.
sweetest
me
thing.
being single, Janai. So I've been noticing a lot more women, single women, they don't, the first thing on these dating apps,
Okay.
the number one thing that I see, a quality,
Okay.
it's not a physical quality. It is being mindful.
Yeah, you just listen.
Every girl on these they don't care about looks, whatever.
Money,
height maybe a little height taller than them.
Height and mindfulness ang hinahanap.
Yeah, because I'm every single bio. You have to pick 3, right? Environment, women's rights, LGBT, equality, and every one of those, every bio, mindfulness
Is the top.
is the top for the
I have no idea what
Hindi
you're talking
thoughtfulness.
about. Hindi na ako umabot dun
Sa Tinder level.
So, nung nagkaroon na ako ng, nung naging kami na ng wife ko, deleted na lahat ng mga ganyang mga
Yeah.
Parang
dapat lang. Kapag meron ka ba medyo
Tama!
useless. Space lang yan.
Para
and then,
saan pa?
Ano pa, di ba? Baka, I don't know.
No, definitely.
It'll lead to trouble.
I don't know any happily married person that has those apps.
That's one gesture you can say na parang, wala na akong apps.
Loyal ako.
Actually, ang balang itatapon ko na yung phone ko.
You're being mindful.
Come on, man.
Itatapon ko na to.
Teka,
Babalik ako sa Nokia.
You don't need that. Ikaw pa.
Nilabas ko yung Nokia ko the other day. I found my Nokia phone.
grabe, pinag-uusapan lang namin kanina nung PA ko yung Nokia. Like, weird. Hindi kayo napapunta dito. Pinag-uusapan namin na, grabe yung Nokia dati, no? Like, very sturdy.
It used to be the phone.
It was a brick. Talagang hagis mo, boy pa.
Every quarter, every person would be in Green Hills. Ano ba later? Finland, China brand.
Dapat Finland, di ba?
Tapos yung tipong sasabihin mo lang dun sa nag-aayos sa Green Hills na housing lang. Housing.
So, papalagay ka ng acetate, di ba?
Sticker.
Saka yung mga kulay-kulay ng
Backlight.
backlight.
Tapos ringtones. Anong bagong ringtone dyan?
Better off alone, Alice DJ.
It's crazy.
companies, no, na, like, they sell ringtones, di ba?
Yes!
You have to text.
Correct.
And then,
Tsaka yung ring back.
Information gateway.
Yung ring back.
Naalala mo?
As artists,
Yeah.
before, kasi yung mga songs namin before,
That's right.
yeah. It's one of the, yung parang
Ring back
sort of
tone.
Spotify streams.
Correct.
Parang
Kasi naalala ko yung mom ko, may napindot siya, tapos hindi niya na makatanggal for years.
Okay.
Ring back niya, para sa'yo ang laban na to.
Oh, no.
Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, wow.
For years.
I think it was the same thing as Sam's mom.
Ano yung kanya? Yung Ben?
No, it was like some odd song. And then she just could never take it out. Tapos si Sam, he didn't know how to take it out.
Hindi na yung matanggal.
And they just kept paying for it.
I think you just have to download another one para lang
To change it.
To change.
Some text.
Alam mo, balik natin yung ring back, no?
Maganda
balik
siya.
natin yan.
Ring back dito.
Maganda yung kasi, well.
So for you artists, it's another way to earn.
But everything's coming back, so it could work.
I mean,
is there
Kendrick brought back bell bottoms.
Exactly, and then they have the digital camera again.
In the past, whether it's a technology, software, isang bagay na gusto mo ipauso ulit. Like, I'm looking for a VHS. I found my VHS cassette tapes. Now,
what's VHS, Stones?
So I have all these comedy movies, right? And they're in VHS form.
Digitized or
and
something?
and I want to. So I bought these in the States and I never opened it. These VHS tapes. And so now I want to review it.
Gonna play it?
Technology that
Yeah, so sometimes you got to be careful what that is because of the mold.
Well, it's in the plastic still. It hasn't even been used. It's not even opened.
No, but how'd you store it?
Oh, it's stored in my place.
Oh, okay,
So,
then
I
that's
mean,
fine, yeah. Then there's no mold.
Yeah, it's been stored really well.
Wala akong maisip, Tony.
And cassette tapes. So I have a whole bunch of cassette tapes that I have in this box.
Man, it's so... Paano yung space? The space yung problema. Yung space yung problema.
But I think a lot of people, they like that is because you see like some of the younger NBA players, they're actually bringing back the camcorder.
Yeah.
The
No.
The handheld.
You go to Clubhouse?
Yeah.
So they're 18 to 22 years old. Clubhouse.
Yung mga digicams.
Yeah.
It's back.
Yeah. Gusto na yung ganong effect.
I just went to an event.
Yung retro. Yeah.
Last week, Friday. It was basta, it was a big event. And the photographers there. Watch out to Magic Liwanag.
Magic.
All had Polaroids.
Oh, okay, yeah.
The whole night. So you they give
Polaroids.
So
I think Polaroids are...
if you're an influencer, so the key was everyone that comes into the event, they give you a camera.
Disposable one.
And then at the end of the night, you give it back to them, the organizer, and they give you something in return. Give you a loot bag.
Yeah.
And then they
That's a good idea.
they actually develop those photos, and then they develop it, they scan it, and then you find it online.
But you might be onto something with keeping your cassettes. Kasi diba, yung mga long play, diba bumabalik yung mga plaka ngayon.
Oh yeah. But I don't think it's going to be worth anything. But
I see a lot of weddings now. They're bringing back the old school photo booth. Like,
okay.
There.
You strip.
Yeah, the strip. So they're
okay.
in Power Plant they have one. Man, there's always a line there. And I mean, we took a picture with Archer and it's like $200. So so you get the strip and then you can get it online. So it makes.
Do you think you can go back to the days of not a smartphone?
No.
Yun analog. GSM.
Nah. Siguro in terms of maybe recording, I want to experience the analog desk.
Okay.
Yeah. Through tape yung recording mo and then you cut the tape.
Yeah.
Together. Yun yung hindi ko na naabutan. Puro na kasi nasa computer yung recording. Kaya naingit ako sa mga 90s bands.
Okay.
Kasi naabutan pa nila yon dun sa Trax dito sa Pasig.
Oh my gosh, Trax. Trax Studios.
Tapos maybe yun, kung meron man akong technology na gustong ibalik. Kasi somehow, yung sound daw talaga ng analog is quite it's warm, it's different.
Scratchy, raw.
Raw and basta maganda daw talaga. Pero other than that, wala na ako masyadong maisip. Teka, batiin ko lang yung mga nanonood.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, ang dami. Sa playback.
Hello. Camera is
Hi,
right there.
playback.
Hello,
Darwinator. May sa Lazada may VHS daw. Okay.
There you go.
Teka lang, pwede ba pakantayin na natin si John Roy? Kanina pa ako nag-aantay.
Okay.
Dami nating satsat.
Okay.
Teka. VHS, ang mahirap sa VHS, yun nga yung sinasabi niya, yung mold. Yung
Mold.
Kailangan nasa tamang
Amagation.
temperature na room.
Parang aircon room.
Oo, gano'n.
Yeah, all my stuff is pretty much.
Or else sometimes
it's not.
Wag yung moist.
Nasubukan mo bang i-play ulit?
Hindi pa nga
May player ka pa ba?
Because it's still in a plastic. Hindi ko pa nabuksan eh. It's still in the plastic.
Baka okay pa yan.
It's brand new and it's kept in my living room.
Nilagyan mo ba ng silica gel?
No.
Lagyan mo.
Yun ang hindi.
Para hindi siya
Get it off
moist.
Lazada.
But for sure, ano yan, it's still okay. Kasi hindi naman, well, not that I know of the condensation and whatever in the living room is okay lang. Yeah. It should be okay. Let's test it out. I'll let you guys know.
Sige.
Update mo kami.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get
Upload ka ng clip.
Yeah, sige.
Put it on Reels, bro.
Or Reels,
Shoot, I'll see. I'll try. All right.
Wait, naririnig na ba yung gitara ko?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
So you made music? This was done last year? You wrote this last year?
Well, ilang songs ba ako ngayon?
Yeah,
Ilan mo gusto?
It's up to you.
We're here till 10 eh. So,
well, the first song na naisip kong kantahin ngayon ay ito ay medyo hindi naman lumang-luma pero siguro mga 5 years ago na song. I wrote this parang bagay kasi February and para sa mga minsan nawawalan tayo ng pag-asa sa pag-ibig. Alam mo yung ilang beses ka nang nasaktan, di ba? Parang, ito na naman, ulit na naman ba? So, minsan, promise, huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. Ito, pakinggan.
Love it.
Miss ko to, Sa dinami-daming tao sa mundo, may nag-iisang para sa'yo. Kanyang pupunan ang iyong pagkukulang. Siya ang sasalo, anumang ibato ng mundo. Ang iyong pag-alala, kanyang mapapakalma. Ang dating ayaw mo, ika'y magkakagusto. Ang isa'y dalawa, kayong dalawa'y iisa. Saan ka man magpunta, ding hindi ka na mag-isa. Kaya pagal na puso, wag na wag susuko. May hihilom sa mga sugat mo. Sa iyong mga patawa ay di ka napapalya. Siya ang tanging bangka pagbaha ng iyong luha. At pag naliligaw na, kamay niya ang iyong mapa. Siya ang antipara pag malabo na ang iyong mata. Kaya saradong puso, buksan muli ang iyong pinto. May kakatok, may kakatok, balang araw. Sa dinami-daming tao sa mundo, abay akalain mong tayo ay magtatagpo. Katugmahang puso, sa wakas simula na to. Buntong hininga, buntong hininga, magbuntong hininga.
Boys Night Out on Magic 89.9. Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.
All right, welcome back. Time now is 7:40 on the clock. Welcome back to Boys Night Out. We've got Janoy with us.
One of the most talented artists in the country. Yes, Mike, you are correct. Ang laki ng talent fee niya this evening. So we only can have him for 3 songs kasi medyo over budget na tayo for one or two, 3 songs. So,
Check.
wala ba?
Naririnig niyo ako?
Yeah.
Okay, sige, okay lang.
So wala.
Kahit na wala ako, okay lang.
Or here.
Dapat meron.
Dapat meron.
Ito. Mas malapit. Okay.
Meron.
Talagang, wala rin.
Wala rin? Oh, yan. Ito.
Wait, let's see. Let's listen.
Baka,
Hello?
wala.
What happened to the...
Ako, pero naririnig niyo ako. Kung naririnig niyo
On
ako,
this side,
okay
wala.
lang.
Or baka it's off?
Huh?
Baka it's off?
Hindi, kung naririnig niyo ako, okay lang. Pati yung gitara.
But I think it should be
It
on
should
para
be
you
on.
can hear it.
Wait.
I'll give you my headset. So.
Direct, is it on?
No, wala.
Because he can't hear himself.
Check. Nawala talaga eh.
Direct!
Pero ikaw meron.
Here.
I can hear you, yes.
Here.
Let's
Here
check.
I'll give you mine.
Trade.
Naglagay ka ba ng piso?
Kaubusan tayo ng load,
Kasi
Janoy.
pay to play to, ah.
Yung headset namin, naglalagay kami ng piso.
Kanina meron eh. Ngayon wala ako.
Here, try this one. Ito na lang.
Ayun, meron na.
Yun.
Meron na?
Ayan, meron na. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Baka si Direct press something.
Ganda.
Okay na.
Yan na.
Ayun.
Kumusta tayo dyan?
Alright.
Ano ba yung
But some people are asking, do you have a upcoming concert?
Oh, yeah, man.
Okay.
Meron akong after 20 plus years sa industry.
Wow, 20 na ba?
Mahigit na, bro. Actually, medyo inano ko na dinaya ko na lang na 20.
You're like ASAP. ASAP 30. Di ba? ASAP 30 was like last Sunday. Last Sunday or last Saturday. That's why Pops Fernandez,
Martin,
they all guested 30 years
na sila. Yeah,
in the industry. The same week that we guested on Family Feud with Chico. Chico's been on the radio for 30 years. 30 years. Chico Del Mar. Yeah.
He's original.
Wild 30 years on the radio.
OG.
And morning show pa rin.
Morning show
That's
pa rin.
crazy.
Galing. Ayun, meron akong solo concert March 14 and 15. Hindi na ako nakipagsabayan sa mga Valentine's concert.
Okay lang.
Tama.
Wais.
Parang mag-aagawan kayo ng crowd or kung sino man manonood. Anyway, for March 14 and 15 sa Metropolitan Theater.
Wow, nice.
Wow.
In Manila.
That's beautiful.
That's beautiful.
Wow.
Kasi parang, ang nangyari yata dyan sa Met ay, I don't know kung totoo to, nasunog yata siya before.
It burned, yeah.
Yeah,
It did.
And then, nag-renovate na sila, tapos natunugan namin na pwede na ulit yung mga events. So, sabi ko, wow, why not, let's celebrate my 20 plus years
in the industry.
Dun sa Met. Kasi, pinunta namin, ang ganda. Ang ganda pala sa loob nun.
I didn't know it was, I know it was up. I saw a tent. But I know it was operating.
Okay na.
Okay.
So doon, 2 nights, March 14 and 15, I'll be singing songs from my old band Bridge up to yung mga hanggang
until the latest. Okay.
Parang sort of
through the years.
Yeah, through the years. Yeah, ganun. Parang ganun ang kwento. And I have a band with me and 15-piece orchestra.
Wow.
Bulol ako dun.
Nice.
Ayun. May orchestra na for a couple of songs para lang ang ganda kasi ng lugar na yun kasi yung music ko naman kasi hindi naman siya for like
a big space.
Big space.
Like arena.
Yeah.
Dapat intimate.
Yeah, seated yung mga tao, yung mga ganun. Bagay.
For the ultimate kilig.
Parang ganun.
To feel the feels.
So kung gusto na naman Ticket Melon yung
Ticket Melon. Okay.
Yung website. Meron kaming promo ngayon parang hindi ako masyado sa detalye pero parang merong magkasama na mga codes, yung mga ganon. Next week, ikaw lang. Yung mga ganong ano. Mga ano. Kasi recently, ang mga nanonood sa... Ito yung na-surprise ako. And I want to thank, I don't know, TikTok for this. Parang yung music ko, umabot dun sa mga bata.
TikTok's the way.
Tinan mo, umabot ka, Tony.
Nagulat ako na pag...
Kasi si Tony, he asked me, oh, Slick, who's this guy guesting? What's his name? Janoy? He's like, yeah, bro. So he's like, okay.
Sa mga Gen Z.
One time, cafe tour, okay, sige. High school kid, lumapit sa akin, Sir Janoy, maraming salamat sa music mo. Seryoso ba? Sabi ko, ganito ka bata yung manonood sa akin. Manonood.
Cute naman.
Ang cute. It's so, tsaka ang maganda kasi, somehow, like, yung mga kids yata ngayon ay very, na sa mental health nila. Very conscious na sila. Like, gusto nilang, ayaw naman nila na, basta, yung kung ano yung makakatulong sa kanilang mental health. And one of them is my music, sabi niya. So, sabi ko, wow. Parang naano yung puso ko. So, wow, okay I mean, hindi, alam mo yun, yung hindi mo alam na meron kang natatouch sa ginagawa mo sa mundo. It's
a beautiful feeling.
A different demographic from what you're used to.
Different demographic. And yun, mga katulad natin, mga 29 years old, yung mga nanonood sa atin dati. Ngayon, wow, sabi ko, okay so, really, thank you, TikTok. Promise.
I mean, are you TikTok savvy? Or was it someone else that posted it?
Nagsimula, yung TikTok ko nagsimula talaga nung pandemic. Kasi wala kang magagawa. So, you had to...
Sumayaw ka?
Yun lang hindi...
Dance challenge.
Ikaw pala yun. Yung fina-follow ko
Mag-wow ka nga.
Pero sobrang bilib ako sa dance challenges.
Wild.
Kasi somehow, nagko-connect sa mga tao.
True.
From the kids to old people.
That's their new, that's the new TV TikTok's the new cable.
Andun na lahat.
And sometimes like the song doesn't match the dance, but then they're just like, okay, we'll still do the dance, right? Do you remember when Diddy's song
oh yeah.
It came out and then everyone was doing it and then people were like, don't they know it's a sad song? Why are they happily dancing?
I'll be missing you.
I'll be missing you. Everyone's like, oh. But I mean, it's nice is that, newer people are discovering you for the first time.
Deserve nila yan.
Definitely.
Actually, a lot of bands during the pandemic thank the younger listeners because of TikTok.
I remember we had Orange and Lemons, right?
Oh,
They
yeah,
said,
yeah,
ganun
yeah,
din. TikTok also
exposed
their music to a younger audience.
Yeah, I hosted with them for grad ball, all girls school. And I was like, this is like high school. And Orange and Lemons?
Are you sure?
They were like, why are we here? And I'm like, I don't know. Why am I here?
Because I got paid.
And then they sang their
songs.
Heaven Only Knows, their hits. Grabe, lahat ng girl. I'm like, they know the lyrics because of TikTok. Same. Even with Mayonnaise.
Yeah. Sumikat talaga yung Jopay, di ba? Tapos biglang, damn, they're raking it in.
May research, parang I don't know, second wind, third wind, fourth wind. Ayun yung mayonnaise.
Yes.
Grabe yun.
Lagi binabanggit ni Monty yan, di ba?
Grabe yun.
Salamat sa TikTok.
Grabe.
Bala ko nga kumanta eh.
Tons, wag, utang na loob.
Parang may
Save the world.
2.0.
Shift ako eh.
No.
You know what, Toads? Let's just have John Noy sing that.
Si John Noy na lang.
Yeah.
So March 14th, March 15th at Metropolitan Theater.
Yeah.
So,
pamagat nung show ay Liwayway at Dapit hapon. Yeah.
Wow, beautiful. Ticket Melon, guys.
Ticket Melon, yeah. It's all there.
Or sa Facebook ko, John Noy Danao. Yeah. Facebook.com/John Noy Danao. Andun lahat ng detalye. So, tara. Kung gusto nyo nga
Ma-inlove.
mag-senti-senti ganun. Kita-kita tayo doon. Sige, kanta na nga lang ako.
Let's go.
Minsan ganun parang, uy, kumanta ka na.
Sarap na kantuan eh.
Babarkada. Simulan mo na yung kanta mo.
Do you still, when you hang out, still bring guitar with your bros or your boys pag nag-chill? Or hindi na?
Bro, sorry. Ako, introvert akong tao na ngayon. Ngayon,
so, wala na yun.
Pagkatapos ng show,
That's it. Uwi na agad.
Uwi na kaagad. Hindi na ako yung parang...
Parang itong dalawa. Tsaka si Gino.
Lumalabas naman ako
once in a while.
Hindi na ako yung tipong mag-hangout
pa after.
Parang na ko yung uwi.
Parang goods na.
Okay na ako. Na-experience ko na yung mga tao na parang kota na.
Sa bahay na ako magwa-washing.
Kumukota na. Anyway. Kanina parang may nabasa ako na siguro kaedad natin yung...
29.
Ayan si
Zunako?
Zunako 13 ba yan?
Zunako.
Sige, pagbibigyan kita Zunako.
Wow, swerte naman ni Zunako.
Kasi ito ay lumang kanta to. Galing pa sa lumang banda ko. So. Di na kailangan pang mag-isip kung tayo ngang dalawa. Di sa lahat ng bagay tayo ay magkatugma. Basta't pag-ibig natin ang siyang magdadala. Bahala na. Ang dami-dami mong katwiran, nagbibilang ka ba? Masinop ka, makalat ako, naiinis ka pero natatawa ako. Pabago-bago ang isip mo, nang desidido ako. Ano ngayon? Kahit na oras-oras tayong di magkasundo, lagi-lagi tayong may tampuhan. Kahit na tayo pa rin, di ba? Matitiis ba natin ang lambing ng isa't isa? Ang mga yakap at halik at kung ano pa, maliliit na bagay kayang palagpasin na ganyan talaga ang pag-ibig. Kahit na oras-oras tayong di magkasundo, lagi-lagi tayong may tampuhan. Kahit na tayo pa rin, di ba? Oras-oras tayong di magkasundo, lagi-lagi tayong may tampuhan. Kahit na tayo pa rin, di ba? Tayo pa rin, di ba? Pa nga ba? Tayo pa rin, di ba?
Nice.
Someone's asking, kasama
send it out to Mike as well. Mike also asked for kahit na. Hi, Mike.
Hi, Mike.
Hey, Mike.
Si Mamark. No pros asking, kasama ba si Mamark?
Kasama ko siya yun. Kanina yung
kanina nag-video. Kasama. Nasa likod lang.
Andito siya. Hiding.
He's hiding. He's behind the scenes.
Not allowed to be on cam. Not allowed.
Shy type.
yeah.
Background.
If there's any other requests, send them in.
But he has one more song.
He's got. Let's see which one he selects.
Is there going to be any other special guests that, or you're just
hindi muna namin sinasabi.
Secret.
Parang ayaw naming maging burden dun sa guest namin na alam mo yung parang mag-invite pa siya or something. Gusto namin talagang guest talaga siya. Like,
okay, surprise guest.
Doon na siya.
So,
doon na malalaman ng mga tao.
Okay.
Nandun siya. Bigla na lang siya susulpot.
Si DJ Toads.
Dua Lipa.
Ay,
Man, Dua Lipa.
Kendrick.
Kami ng asawa ko pag nanonood kami kay Dua Lipa. Oh man.
De, grabe siya. Iba. Iba yung appeal ni Madam.
Ikaw at ako. Mark.
Mukhang romantiko tong si Marky Oh.
Aking mahal, please.
Bakit?
Coming from Grace.
Ano ba yung sitwasyon mo, Marco? Ano ba sitwasyon mo?
Share mo sa amin.
Is it that
Labas
bad?
mo.
Is it that bad?
Has there been a gig that you were like, why would you invite me to this gig?
Oh man.
Other than a wedding. Was there like a weird event that you've played at?
Weirdest was Binyag.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, alam mo kung sino nag-invite? Yung parents. Kasi yung barkada nila somehow ay nakikinig sa akin.
Oh, fans.
So,
Okay.
parang ganun. So yung sabi ko, ba't ako nandito sa binyag ng anak mo? Sabi, hindi para sa amin to. Ang weird.
Yeah.
Kasi may mga kids andun yung mga kids na. Like, pero, syempre, andun sila sa play
area.
So, kami lang na yung mga fans. Pero may awkward pa rin kasi weird
Parang it doesn't seem like your fan base, diba? Parang
yeah.
it's just odd. But I've seen a lot of different parties like that. Is that okay? They have the kids side, but then they'll have like the drinking side. They'll have like a DJ. They'll have like a band. They're like, what's that? Okay.
I've hosted for a baptismal. I was with Gio.
Di ba 1 year old yun? 1 year old's birthday?
Yeah.
Kasi manyak yata yung tatay.
Manyak ni girl.
Ay.
The wife. So the husband surprised her.
With you.
And the
Lumabas kang cake?
the baby also is like they want the baby to be like boys night out. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, the whole boys night out thing, like ding 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 hon hon. And I was like, "Oh my gosh." It was just so weird. Because the wife was so into the show. And I was like, "Are you sure you want me to take photos with your wife?" That's fine. Go ahead. I was like, "Okay." Yeah.
How about song requests? For example, like in say wedding receptions. Na parang like, oh, are you sure you want me to sing that song?
The thing about weddings, set na kasi yung songs dyan eh. Mahirap na yung parang kasi kanta, yung request ng couple yan or nung surprise.
Set playlist.
Meron na napag-usapan na namin. Kaya parang odd na merong
mag-request.
Merong sumusubok but hindi ko na makakanta.
Wala bang nagana?
Bakit ayun ka lang?
Nag-aabot ng sobre na. Ito.
Sa bar meron. Sa bar.
Sige, sa bar. Ano yung weirdest request na nakuha mo?
Definitely yung mga Bon Jovi songs. How would I sing a Bon Jovi song?
Bed of Roses, bro!
It's too high. I don't know how to... Ang hirap niyang kantahin. Ang gaganda ng mga kanta ng
Bon Jovi.
Yeah, but it's not for me. Lang talaga. Like, ang mahirap sa ganyan kasi they're expecting na parang pulidong-pulido yung version mo. Like, halos dapat kapareho ng... Ganun sila Kasi tayo mga Pinoy, mahilig tayo mag-sing along.
We're show...
very cultural.
Show bands. We're a show band country.
Gusto nilang kumanta din. So dapat yung alam nilang kanta. Yung kakantahin mo. Which is fine. Okay lang naman. Pero ngayon sa mga shows ko kasi yun nga, parang pumunta sila to listen to my songs. Kaya doon ako na parang, uy, yung request talagang nandun sa catalog ko. So, it's heartwarming actually.
Yeah.
Has there ever been a song that you've wanted to sing for a gig but no one has actually requested for it? Something
like a cover, ganun?
Yeah, like a cover na parang like, oh, I wish I could sing this for some gig that you've never covered before.
Oh, that's a good question. Actually, lahat kasi ng gusto kong kantahin, kinakanta ko talaga.
Kinanta mo na?
Oo. Parang hindi ko pa yata na-experience yan.
Na one song.
What's your most covered song?
Ang madalas kong kantahin ngayon ay si Gary Granada. OPM song.
Yes.
Kasi ang ganda talaga ng mga kanta niya. Plus, syempre yung kung saan ako nagsimula dito sa yung pinaka-paborito ni Mo na version ng ng Fix You.
Yes.
Kasi, man, that somehow yung pag-cover ko na yun at pag sabi binansagan ako ni Mo Twister na best kept secret.
Suking-suki ka.
Pa rin.
Sa good times nun, grabe.
Hanggang ngayon meron pa rin. Yun pa rin ang naaalala nila like, bro, kinakanta mo pa ba to? Pwede mong kantahin. Sa mga weddings, meron pa rin mga, yung kung ano yung mga kinanta ko dun sa podcast.
Yun din.
Yun pa rin.
Same set.
Oo, may mga songs pa rin din na somehow, probably nagustuhan nila yung version ko. Pero yung Fix You talaga. It's number one, it's a beautiful song.
Yes, it is a beautiful
Wala
song.
nang so...
What were you thinking when you wrote that song?
Sabi ko...
Baka may maglagay sa Facebook na copycat ka eh. Kanina si Alex. Si Alex, binintang na joke stealer.
One thing na masasabi ko dyan sa issue na yan is how can you prove that? Ang hirap i-prove.
True.
Ayun, feeling mo binasa lahat ng tao yung joke na yun sa Facebook. Nakita lahat ng tao.
That's so true.
It's hard.
It's hard, man.
Actually, stand-up comedy is one of the hardest. Have you ever tried to...
Hindi pa, bro. Patawagan.
Hirap. I think it's
hirap.
one of the hardest.
Tough, yeah.
It's I think at top of the list is public speaking, but live comedy, stand-up comedy is the hardest.
Mahirap magpatawa.
Ang hirap.
Because the crowd already thinks that, he's gonna make me laugh. And if you don't,
then you suck.
And you have 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Right? You start off with 2 minutes. If you're good, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, and then 12, 15.
Tapos meron ka pang iisipin na ma-offend ba sila?
Yes.
Alam mo yung ganong, hindi katulad namin na pag wala na kaming ma-spill, kanta na lang.
True.
And there's some artists who don't even talk. May
super shy one.
May alam mo they just get up on stage, good evening, then that's it. Then they just do their set. Some artists they start off with a song and then in the middle, good evening, welcome to thank you for coming. Yeah, and then they
there's some that I hosted before. Tapos like his set is like 30 minutes. I was like okay. Tapos this artist. So okay, welcome to so and so. Tapos all of a sudden, after 15 minutes, this is my last song. Tapos everyone's looking at me. This is his last song because he didn't speak in between.
Tuloy-tuloy lang
he
siya.
just went straight to all his songs. I'm like, okay.
Yun din eh. Kaya believe din ako sa mga stand-up comedy kasi yun nga, yung dead air yung kalaban mo dyan eh. Lalo na pag hindi tumawa yung tao.
Wala na. Yung confidence mo, wala na. Lagpak na.
Kapal mo ka kailangan. As in super. To shift. To shift your joke. Okay, they're not laughing. Okay, switch it.
Or even if you'll still make it laban because you want to just get to the end. I remember when me and Tony were watching over in what was it? BGC. The open mic, and we were just looking at each other. This is tough.
Mga day 9 to 5 regular Joes na
just trying out.
Mga walk-in.
Yeah.
Gusto mag-stand up. Ang dami nag-walk-in eh.
And me and Tony were just looking.
It's hard.
This is tough.
Wala kang practice, and then it's your first time to go on the mic, and then
and you're spotlight na sa'yo.
Supposed to deliver it with confidence, execute the joke. Tapos walang tatawa.
And sometimes it's hard if you're holding your código. Diba?
Tapos basa yung kamay mo. Tapos nag-smear na yung ink. Mag-hi tayo kay Alvin Miguel. Jonoy, sabi niya, Sir, now ko lang kayo narinig pero instant fan agad. Followed you sa Spotify.
Alright.
Bago lang siya ha. Bagong artist of the...
bagong discovery
ng BNO.
Bagong discovery.
Because this is where dreams come true.
Let's go.
First time niya dito.
Dito sa Playback, Jonoy, ang daming nagre-request ng Ikaw at Ako kasi wedding song yan ni Mong.
Yun.
Tapos ito naman si Charm, sabi niya, I will save enough so that you can sing that song for my wedding day.
There's this...
Mag-ipon ka na, sis!
There's this trend sa TikTok about me na parang search for talent Fini John. Parang Sabi ko, oh no, ang awkward.
Oh, gets.
Awkward, diba?
Gets, yes.
So gumawa ka ng what do you call that?
Rate card?
No, fake account.
Dummy account.
Finsta. Alam ko yung talent fee niya. Mura lang. Kinuha ko siya.
1M.
Kinuha ko siya.
Oh, parang ganun.
Pero worth it worth it.
Oo, yung parang probably siguro kasi syempre yung mga suppliers naman ay nag-uusap-usap.
Of course.
Alam mo yun, ito si Jano ganyan. Tapos yun nga, ipopost nila yung kanta ko, sana afford ko na siya or something like that. Just talk to me.
Message nyo lang siya.
Yeah. We have someone on the line. Hello?
Hello.
Hi, hello boys.
Hey!
Yeah, man.
What's up?
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Sir Janoy.
Hey, bro.
Si Sir Janoy, nahook ako dito nung napakinggan ko yung yung cover niya ng Fade Away. Baka pwede naman.
Nang alin?
Fade away.
Fade Away.
Oh no.
Ano yun? Kantay mo.
Sample.
Don't you ever wonder for all your happy thoughts have done.
Hindi ako yan. Sure ka ba?
Hindi niya. Asan yung mukha niya ngayon? Talagang question mark, sir.
Saan to
Saan talaga yan?
Saan ko
Sa
kinanta yan?
page niya, sa YouTube page niya na nakita ko doon.
Sino yung artist ng Fade Away na song? Sino yung...
Ebe.
Baka si Ebe.
Tag-English?
Baka si Ebe yan, bro.
I'll go ahead and check. I'll check. And then,
check again and you call back, okay?
Tawag
Baka si Bullet.
Sabi nga ni sabi ni Direk.
Yeah.
Sorry, bro.
But thank you for calling.
My bad.
But maybe you want to sing it.
Try lang.
My bad. Sorry, coach. Okay.
Ayan, tapos meron pa dito si Mame. Mag-hi ka naman daw sa husband niya kasi idol ka ng husband niya. Si Patrick, pauwi ngayon, listening.
Anong minamanayan mo, Patrick? Baka mamaya maano ka dyan, ha? Ingat, Patrick, ha? Patrick, ingat, ha?
Hi, Mame and Patrick. Thank you for listening. Ingat ka pa uwi.
Ito na. Last song na.
Okay.
Here we go.
Teka. Ayos lang ba dalawa pa?
Yes!
Hey, go.
Pagbigyan natin ng mga nag-request niyang ikaw at ako na yan para mapag-usapan na naman kung anong talent fee natin. sa TikTok. Ganun yung trending sa akin, bro. Hindi yung parang sobrang walang issue. Yun lang, ganun lang. Very mundane na mga iniisip ng mga tao. Wholesome.
Wholesome.
Very wholesome. Teka, ha? Ito yung kaya believe din ako sa balik tayo din sa mga stand-up comedy. Ito yung mahirap sa amin kasi minsan habang kumakanta ka, nawawala sa tono yung gitara mo. So anong gagawin mo? Siyempre magtutono ka, di ba? Magtutono ka. So habang nagtutono ka, anong mangyayari? Siyempre merong dead air dyan. So ako hindi ko alam yung sasabihin ko, bro, habang nagtutono minsan. Kasi gusto mong pakinggan yung gitara mo kasi kailangan nakatono talaga yan.
Tapos you just don't want people staring at you. It's like, hey, what is he doing?
Anong nangyayari?
Is that gonna take long? Should I order another beer? Do I need a...
Pero alam mo, sa lahat ng humihingi sa akin ng advice ng mga younger generation musicians, ang palagi ko lang talagang sinasabi ay, please, pakitono ng mga instrumento. Promise. Kasi mahirap kumanta na wala sa tono yung instrumento mo. Kasi yan yung kasayaw mo eh. Yan yung kasayaw ng boses mo. Kung wala siya sa tempo, habang sumasayaw kayo, wala na. Anyway.
Sira na yung kanta. Is there any other instrument that you play? Or gitara lang? Gitara lang.
Even electric guitar is very alien to me,
okay.
Man. Acoustic lang talaga.
Acoustic.
Sabi ng iba, acoustic.
Acoustic.
Si Tina.
Acoustic. Anyway, sige, para sa lahat ng mga nag-request ng kantang to, kung kasama nyo yung partner nyo, pisil-pisil na lang ng kamay, okay na. Ikaw at ako, pinagtagpo, nag-usapang ating puso nagkasundong magsama habang buhay. Nagsumpaan sa may kapal, walang iwanan, taginit o tagulan, haharapin bawat unos na magdaan. Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin, sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay nating gawin kahapon ng bukas. Ikaw at ako, pinag-isa, tayong dalawa may kanya-kanya. Sa isa't isa, tayo ay sumasandal. Bawat hangad kayang abutin, sa pangambay di pa aalipin. Basta't ikaw, ako, tayo, magpakailanman. Kung minsan ay di ko nababanggit, pag-ibig ko'y di masukat ng anumang lambing. At kung magkamali akong ika'y saktan, puso mo ba'y handang magpatawad? Di ko alam ang gagawin kung mawala ka. Buhay ko'y may kahulugan tuwing ako iyong hagkan. Umabot man sa ating huling hantungan, kapit puso kitang hahayaan. Ngayon at kailanman, ikaw at ako.
Oh man, such a beautiful. Oh my gosh,
nice.
You got Tin crying here.
Papaiyak ka.
Ay, uy, ano? Teka.
Woo! Ganda.
Wait lang.
Maganda.
So nice.
Maganda.
Yeah.
Naalala niya yung ex niya eh.
Gago!
Naalala niya yung ex niya na sobrang love niya. Si Pao. Pao, if you're listening ha.
Gago ka, Tons.
Oh gosh, man, your voice after all these years still one of the.
Ayaw tumigil.
Your voice is
tama si Renz.
So good.
Beach wedding. Plus live performance for the win.
Man.
Sobra.
I have a lot more beach weddings.
Ay nako. Actually it's perfect for me, like mga ganong setting. Yung ano kasi yung nga in love yung mga tao, tapos yung eksena ng sunset. Nakakadagdag ng ng pagiging ng kilig eh. Nakakadagdag ng kilig. Yun. Medyo narinig ko kasi na parang namatay yung wireless ko. Anyway. Okay.
So, how do you take care of your voice? I mean,
hindi ako umiinom ng malamig pag kumakanta. Uminom naman ako ng malamig.
Okay.
Kasi masarap yung malamig.
Pero sa gig, hindi.
Oo. Saka tulog.
Tulo?
Tulog.
Bawal din yung tulog sa akin. Ako bago
Ay, nako, Tony!
Ang ganda.
Bawal talaga pag may gig ako tapos may tulog, nako.
Mahirap yun.
Tuloy pa rin. Kasi
tinatawagan si Doc, Rowing MD.
I need help.
Doc, may tulong ako. May gig pa ako. Paano to?
Gago.
Grabe din yung tulo, ano?
Ibang levels yan.
Ibang level.
Tulog before the gig, a nap. I remember I remember having this conversation with Rico Blanco. So ever since, over the years, 15 to 20 minute nap bago siya magano.
Power nap.
That's why he will always ask for any gig. If there's a hotel nearby, he'll always ask for a room where he can rest, or he's in his car.
Oo.
And that will expand, your career longer. That extra 20 minutes.
Yeah. Oo, kasi walang ginagawa yung vocal cord mo for that few minutes na pagtulog eh. Hindi siya mas-strain.
Parang reset.
Are you in bed by a certain time or hindi na masyado?
Alas 8 pa lang nasa kama.
Talaga?
Alas 8.
Tapos ano oras gising?
Well, nagigising ako ng alas 5 kasi ang aso ko ginigising na ako.
Okay.
So,
alas 8.
alas 8 man. Sorry.
Nandito pa kami. Bedtime mo na pala, Jonoy.
Bedtime ko na ngayon. So medyo unusual ngayon to.
Sabi ni Renz, taas balahibo ko, taas kamay.
Yan.
But don't forget, of course, your concert.
March 14 and 15, Metropolitan Theater, Liwayway at Dapit Hapon. Kung gusto nyo marinig ng may ibang atake yung mga kanta, tara. Sama-sama tayong mag-senti doon.
Kailangan mo ata magpa-sponsor ng tissue.
Pwede!
Diba?
Nandun sa table nila, sa seats nila.
Kailangan.
Yeah. That would be nice, diba?
Charmin?
Good morning towel.
Hindi ba napkin yan?
Hindi, you know what?
Charmy pala yung Charmy.
Actually,
ang kapal ng mga napkin ni Jonoy, ha?
Parang madikit.
Okay ito, ha? Fast absorbent, ha?
pero ang ganda.
Heavy flow.
Absorb talaga yung luha nyo doon.
If you get the Good Morning Towel, because see, Big Boy, he just released his Good Morning Towel.
Oh, yeah? Did he? Again, another batch?
Another batch, so it's different colors. So it's just not the traditional
Iba
white.
show dapat yung Good Morning, towel. Ibang show yun.
Ibang
Tama na yung
happenings.
tissue, okay na yung tissue. Parang pa-sponsor na.
Okay. Parang naka-recover na ata ako.
Ito. Iwan ko na kayo dito sa aking pinakabagong kanta.
Alright.
Ito, ang kwento nito ay merong isang lalaki na gusto nang regaluhan ng kanyang mapapangasawa ng awitin. So,
wow.
Kinontak niya ako, sir, pwede ka bang gumawa ng kanta para sa amin?
Oh my God.
Ito yung lumabas. Pamagat ito ay Magkasama. Bini-bini, ako'y nagbabaka sakali. Ika'y ba'y merong oras magpakailanman? Ang listahan ng gusto natin gawin, kahit matagalan, irog, lahat ay tutuparin. Mahal na mahal, magpalit man araw at buwan, ating tampuhan, mauuwi sa lambingan. Di mangangako, gagawin na lang lahat ng kailangan. Ipaglalaban kita, magkasama, iiyak at tatawa, magkasama, dadamhin ng musika, magkasama, Lumakbay kahit saan man mapadpad, magkasamang mangangarap. Aking puso, yung iyo buong buo, sa'yo lamang. Di ka bibitawan, kahit na ako'y minsay masaktan. Lahat ng hadlang, kayang-kayang tibagin. Hirap at pagod, di napapansin. Lahat may saysay, tuwing ika'y kapiling. Giliw, di ka mag-iisa, magkasama sa tagumpay ng buhay. Magkasama, dadamhin ng lumbay. Magkasama, walang bibitaw, umulan umaraw. Magkasamang tatanda, magkasama, magkaugnay, magkayakap, magkahawak kamay. Magkaibigan, nagkaibigan, nagkatuluyan. Ang bilang natin isa, pero pag pinagsama, ang isa't isa ay tatlo. Apat, lima, anim, walo.
Nice.
Speaking of weddings, they're listening, Tones. Doc Dino and EJ.
Oh.
Yes, they're gonna get married. Congrats, guys.
Congratulations.
They just got engaged like a couple of days ago. So congratulations, you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Hi, guys. Thanks for listening.
Gift ko si Jonoy.
Yeah, patay. Malalaman mo na kung magkano yung TF.
Di mo na
Sino ba
kailangan
text ko? Sino ba? Para malaman natin ang TikTok. Mga TikTok viewers. Malalaman natin.
We will get to the bottom of this.
Kung meron kayong mga inquiries, jonoydanaomusic@gmail.com.
But thank you very
Tapos
much.
na ba? Sabi ng listeners and viewers natin, 1 set daw.
3 sets.
3 sets. Okay.
So, Tony can afford it.
Hanggang midnight.
Kumpitin kayo.
Past my bedtime.
March 14 and 16. 15 and 16.
14 and 15.
14 and 15!
Ano ba?
Wala na itinama. Kumpitin kayo March 14 and 15.
Yeah.
Sa 16 ako yun.
Si Tones pala yun. Solo show, Toro.
Anong theater to?
Same.
Metropolitan Theater.
Wala akong instrument.
Organ.
Organ lang.
Pwede. Organ.
Acoustic.
Acoustic organ.
You can check out Ticket Melon.
Ticket Melon, yeah.
For tickets. So But people can follow you on your TikTok.
TikTok, Facebook,
Facebook.
Instagram.
Okay.
Kung gusto niyo makita yung mga yung aso ko, isa na lang pala siya. So, yan. Kung ano man, kung interesado kayo sa buhay ko, nandun lahat.
There you go.
And don't be afraid to ask.
Yeah.
Thank you for gracing us with your with your
With your
presence.
Salamat sa paiyak.
Alam ko 8 p.m. tulog ka na eh. So, thank you.
Medyo, may dala naman akong alaksan. So, medyo sumasakit na yung likod natin dyan.
For the overtime.
We have a Katingko sponsor for you.
Oh, that's right. Gusto ko yan.
Hindi si John or Jan.
Oo.
Ganon.
No ointment. Okay yan.
Sarap amoy-amoyin yan.
All right, and we are done and done. We'll catch you again tomorrow for the. Tomorrow we have our friends from VMX. They got a brand new movie. It's called Online Selling with Andrew Gann, Ara Alonzo, and Ira Bench. So that's tomorrow.
There you go.
What's up to Choi, Attorney March? Thanks for tuning in.
Hi.
Also, tomorrow we have DJ producer Raf Tanwatko. So he's one of the bigger DJs right now playing
Nice.
in the more famous hotspots in Metro Manila. So
all owned by Tony Tones.
No. We'll just break his brain and see how to be a DJ. Also, if you want to be a producer, I guess it's the next thing to meeting the stars, meeting the different musicians is to be a producer, right? So maybe you're not a musician, but producing is the next big thing.
Yeah.
Still playing.
Di ba? Ang daming nagpo-produce na bata eh. So we'll get to meet him tomorrow. That's it. We're out of here. Bye.
Thanks everyone on playback. Thank you, Jonoy.
You guys have a premiere.
We're going to Power Plant.
Okay. Ano meron?
For Captain America.
Brave New World.
Yun.
So see you guys there. My name's Slick Rick.
This is Tony.
And my name's Ted Gumboa. Thank you so much for tuning in. They will see you tomorrow. And on behalf of Mr. Jonoy Danao, thank you for tuning in. Bye, everybody. Take care.
Good night, playback.
Tony, Slick, Gino, and Tin. Boys Night Out. Magic 89.9.